We got a Bosch front load washer for you today, and intermittently this thing will not stop filling up with water. I'll show you. If you look on the left hand side, that's where the water comes in, and then I have it set to hot right now. Once it comes on, you turn it off and it instantly turns off, just like that. If you go to cold and you turn it on, it takes a few seconds for it to turn off, and if it does that, you got a bad valve. So off. 1, 2, 3. Just about 3 seconds or so, and it's supposed to come off or go off immediately. So here's the cold one more time. Takes a while for it to shut off. And here's the hot. This is what it's supposed to look like whenever you turn it off. It's on, off, off. Immediately goes off. So this is a bad cold water valve. You got a hot water valve on here and a cold water valve, and we're going to swap out this cold water valve. First thing you want to do is unplug it and turn the water off. Then we're going to get the top off. There's 2 T15 screws on the back, one there and one here. Then to get the lid off, you push back and she will lift up, just like that. Then we got the hose connected to the cold water valve. And the cold water valve is the one on the left hand side, has the 2 solenoids on them. Hose clamps to get those hoses off. And then bad angle here, but you want to push in on this side, or you can pry from the other side, but then you want to push over to the left and she'll come off. Got a terrible angle there for you. I'm sorry. I'm sure you guys can figure out how to get that thing off. But you put it back on the exact opposite way. And if you need help, you can look at the new valve and see what it looks like compared to the one that's installed, and that'll help you out when getting it off. So yeah, got the valve in, putting the hoses back on, hose clamps. Wire harness. And the water line. Alright, hose is back on. We're turning the water on. We're plugging it back in. And we're going to test it on cold. See what it looks like. On, off. Immediately goes off. That's what you want to see on cold. And hot. And warm. But yeah, if it doesn't go off immediately, like it is now, you got a bad water valve. So go ahead and replace it. We're going to do hot again. On and off. Yep, these water valves are now good. So we're going to put this top back on, and then that's it. So if you guys need the hot or cold water valve, I'll have those linked in the description below. And if it helps, give me a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.